is a twin. Open it up and see. Look at it. It's a twin because it has 2 canaps in it. Wow. Oh, it's so juicy.
Transformed every part of me. Joy is in my DNA. Need that truth you speak to me, baby. You light like every day. Crazy about Jesus. Live for my Savior. Joy.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michaela Smith, and you're watching Print Your Closet Pieces. Today, I'm picking up my friend Sapphire and recording this after because I wasn't sure what we were gonna do. I knew we were gonna go to Frederickstead, which is in St. Croix, U.S.V.I, and just sightsee. And I was like, God, please just make it good, like. And God really did His thing. Like, it was like a cute little excursion, and then we got to meet new people. Y'all will see in the video. Let's get into the video. So today, taking you guys out here in the rainforest, like seeing a little bit of it up close. In St. Croix, we don't technically have a rainforest because it doesn't get the amount of rain that regular rainforests do. So basically it's just a bunch of bush, and it's like semi a rainforest, but not a real rainforest because of the lack of rain. So yeah. So this is Mount Victory Camp. Here it's a fire. And it's just like a little cabin. They have it on the Airbnb.
So
This
good.
is the campsite.
Yeah. It's just my own personal one I set up myself. It was just like there was nothing here before. So I got the bamboo. I'm actually studying bamboo, trying to bring it sustainable. It has like Rich to Reef has like the original owner of Rich to Reef has some like
Sustainable bamboo.
22 species, you know, like some of the like construction grade stuff from Colombia and India that we all like we already have.
Like built and it started it, but then they sold it to Matt.
Oh, a greenhouse. Yeah. What is the material that's on top of it?
Shade cloth. Okay, bye Elizabeth. See you soon.
Bye, Elizabeth. Nice to meet you. The greenhouse, guys.
We have like a lot of sugar apple growing in there. And sour sauce too.
Oh, our favorite.
I've never seen coconuts orange.
These are like special coconuts.
Oh,
Yeah. They're not the native ones. The native ones are green. But these are like a special variety.
wow.
The horsey.
Water is sweeter. He's a neighbor's horse.
Heliconium Gardens. Wow, buddy.
It's like pride and joy. So it's like these types of flowers.
Wow.
They're specifically for like rainforest climates. So during the drought, it was really, really hard to keep these going.
How's the kennel?
Ooh, it's sweet.
I actually had no idea these were here.
Wow. Really?
I haven't been down here in a while. And he didn't say anything.
He's keeping it for himself. Wait, what are we doing? Hello, everybody. So we just went around one of the little camps in Mount Victory, and I'm here with Sapphire. Hi. How did you feel about today's excursion?
It was really unexpected for me because I don't normally like things like that, things that are out of my comfort zone. But Mickey here dragged me, not literally, but she really, her fun spirit really encouraged me to step out of my shell, and it was really fun. It was really nice, interesting. It was interesting. So I had fun.
Great.
I had fun.
Yeah, it's just going with the flow. I wasn't sure what we were gonna do, but I knew we were gonna go and like look around. So
Yeah.
we just videotaped that for you guys. So if you guys liked the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.